As we said before, our system can exchange the data from different venues in case that we have different venues to hold the same event. In that case, we need to have separate statisticians in different venues, and maybe we should set up a tournament for all the venues, and after each competition day we needed to get together all the data together and to have a total database. So let's see that how our system can work out this kind of function to output data and to input the data. First of all, we see that there will be data service in the screen. We click it and we can see that export and import. Export, we can see that we can export the tournament, match, team, referee, IHF official. Of course, any official you want to put it in. If we want to export a tournament, it means we have set up a new tournament in one computer. That's what we suggest for what we did for a tournament. Because maybe we need many laptops to do the statistician in different venues, but we must set up the tournament before all the matches in one computer, and then we export this tournament out and import the tournament into different computers. In that case, we can keep all the computer with the same tournament, because different computers, you may have different input of the names, time may have some slight differences. In case of that differences, we must set up the tournament in one computer so that we can keep all the computers the same at the match. So we can see that if we can export a tournament, we click the tournament and we can see all the tournaments in our database. If we want to export this tournament out, and we choose yes, and we transform it into desktop, into files, into computers, disks, anywhere you can. And to give a name, for example, the date. So we can see that it's data exported successfully. It means we have already exported data for this. This is a tournament. So we can exchange this data to different laptops, to different computers, and import the tournament into different computers. Let's see it. So we can see that we can see the data on the desktop and we can choose it, and this is the one we want to import from the flash disk or from the other disks. So we choose yes, because this is we exported from our computer, so it has already existed. If you don't have this tournament, we can just to import the data. And finally, you will see that data imported successfully. It means in your computer, it will have the same tournament now. We can see that export, except for the tournament, we have a match, team, referee, IHF official. For exported match, for example, you just want to exchange this match from this computer to another computer. So we can export this match out and to send it through internet to another venue or to another computer or the headquarters, it's both okay. And to export the team. In case of that there is any change of one team and we want to keep the same with all the computers of different venues, so we must export the team and ask the other people to import the same one into their own computer. So the team data in different computers can keep the same at the same time. Export the referee and IHF official. So we only need one person to input all the information of this kind of information and export all the information out. So other computers can only do one job, to import all of the data. So every computer can have the same information, but with one input information. And this is very convenient for us to operate with system, and we do not need to do the same work repeat and repeat again.